Hello, and welcome to the Wall Street Oasis Excel VBA and Macros course. My name is Nate Coffrin, and I'm going to be your instructor. To start out, I'm going to give you just a quick introduction to the course and what you can expect over the next few hours, before we actually dive into actual VBA and macros. By way of introduction, I am the founder of Wakely Ventures. That is a bookkeeping and tax prep consolidation vehicle. Before that, I spent my entire career in real estate finance working for various real estate private equity companies and REITs. Now, how this course is structured is we are going to break this into 4 different parts. We're going to start from the very basics of VBA. I'm assuming that you know absolutely nothing. And from that very beginning, we are then going to build up into a very deep knowledge of the core concepts of VBA. By the end of the course, you will be able to automate pretty much any process in VBA. And you will be the office hero because you will be saving people hours and hours of time from their life, automating spreadsheets and processes. It's going to be really amazing. At the end of each section, we are going to have a case study where you will have the opportunity to put what you learned in the course into practice. After you had a chance to work through the case study, I will then walk through the case study with you so you can see exactly how it's completed. There will also be a number of multiple choice quiz questions at the end of each section to once again reinforce what you've learned so far. Although this course is absolutely amazing and you will learn a ton, we also highly recommend you check out the other Wall Street Oasis online courses. There are amazing courses like Accounting Foundation course, Valuation course, DCF modeling course, LBO modeling course, and a bunch of other courses. We highly recommend that you look at these other courses in conjunction with this course to really strengthen your skills, your knowledge, and your resume.